Things change fast. In the blink of an eye, the world around us evolves, and so do the ways we protect and defend our nations. The way countries fight wars, it changes too. Gone are the days of traditional combat. Now it's all about technology and innovation. Used to be all about tanks and trenches. Not anymore. Now it's drones, baby. Small, unmanned aircraft, deadly from miles away. These drones can carry out precision strikes, gather intelligence, and even engage in electronic warfare. This is the new face of war, and it's scary as hell. The battlefield has expanded to the skies, and the stakes have never been higher. Any country that wants to feel safe, they need to pay attention to their air defenses. It's not just about having the best drones, it's about protecting against them too. We're talking radar systems to see what's coming. Advanced radar can detect incoming threats from miles away, giving crucial time to respond. We're talking missiles to take those threats down. Surface-to-air missiles and anti-aircraft systems are essential to neutralize any airborne danger. This isn't the future of warfare, folks. It's happening right now. The technology is here, the strategies are evolving, and the world is watching. Stay informed, stay prepared. So, how's Bangladesh doing in the drone age? Well, they're trying. They've got some decent stuff, like Chinese short-range air defense systems. They've got some fighter jets too. But here's the thing, it's not really enough. Not when you're talking about stopping these high-tech drones. Drones are small, they're fast, and they can be hard to detect. Bangladesh needs to up its game. Look, nobody's perfect. Every country has weaknesses in their defenses. Bangladesh is no different. Their radar, it's not great. They can't see everything coming their way. And even when they do spot something, shooting it down is a whole other problem. They need better missiles, more of them, and the training to use them effectively. These drones, they can cause some serious damage if they're not stopped. Section 4. Countering the threat. Modern technologies and strategies. In today's rapidly evolving battlefield, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. Modern threats require modern solutions, and Bangladesh must adapt to these changes. So, what can Bangladesh do? The answer lies in a combination of strategic planning and technological advancement. Well, they need to get serious about investing in some new toys. This means allocating budget and resources to acquire cutting-edge technology. And by toys, I mean high-tech military equipment. These are not just gadgets, but essential tools for modern warfare. We're talking about jammers that can mess with the drone's controls. These devices can neutralize threats before they become a problem. They need better radar systems that can spot those tiny drones. Advanced radar can detect and track even the smallest aerial threats. And they need more surface-to-air missiles that can actually hit the damn things. Precision and reliability in missile defense are non-negotiable. It's not cheap, but neither is getting blown up by a drone. Investing in these technologies is a necessary step to ensure the safety and security of the nation. The cost of inaction is far greater. Section 5. Bangladesh's Preparedness. A look ahead. As we delve into the future, it's crucial to understand where Bangladesh stands in terms of military readiness. So, is Bangladesh ready for the drone age? Not really. The rapid advancements in drone technology have left many nations scrambling to catch up, and Bangladesh is no exception. They've got some catching up to do. The integration of drones into military strategy is a complex process that requires significant investment in both technology and training. But hey, at least they're aware of the problem. Recognizing the gap is the first step towards bridging it. The Bangladeshi Defense Forces are actively discussing and planning how to incorporate these new technologies. The first step to fixing a problem is admitting you have one, right? By acknowledging the challenges, they can start to develop strategies to overcome them and improve their capabilities. Look, the future of warfare is here, and it's buzzing. Drones are revolutionizing the battlefield, offering new ways to gather intelligence, conduct surveillance, and even engage in combat. Bangladesh needs to step up, invest in its defenses, or risk getting left behind. The time to act is now, to ensure they are not only prepared for the present, but also for the future of warfare.